Hello again, I'm Ben Nugent, Application Specialist at TSI, and in this video I'm going to show you what the Charts section of the FMS web client can offer you. Charts give you the ability to easily visualize and access manufacturing data over time. Now you are able to prioritize the information that means the most to you to make better and faster quality decisions. When loading the charts, you can display multiple sample point graphs on one screen. Up to 10 sample points can be selected from the drop-down list. Sample points that are currently displayed are highlighted in blue and have a check mark. Each graph is highly customizable. You can select your time range according to many different options. These include the most recent data acquired over various time periods. The graph showing the most recent hour is a live rolling graph. You can also view historical data defined here in the custom range menu, where you can select the duration and start time, where you can view any data ever collected by your FMS system. Graphs can be selected with either linear or logarithmic y-axis. Users can also choose between bar or line graphs. Thank you for taking the time to view this video series on the FMS web client. Other videos are linked in the product description. If you have any questions, please visit tsi.com to get connected to a local representative. In the next video, I will go over the FMS web client floor plan in greater detail. Hope to see you there.